Andito na kami sa labas ng dental clinic. Yala, love. Papasok na kami. What? Why cleaning? Siya nga pala guys, nasa first floor lang yung clinic nila. Filipino doctor. I highly recommended. Napakagaling na doktor. At andito na kami. Andito na kami sa dental clinic. Yan, pumasok na siya. Hintay muna kami dito. Kasi nagpe-prepare pa sila. How's everything? Wow. Habang nasa labas kami, nagbibidyo-video muna ako. Ang ganda talaga ng clinic nila, tahimik pa. Yala. Sige na at kakatayin ka ng... Good afternoon, Doc. So, tapos na. Uwi na kami. Uwi na. Happy yarn. Paapaka-sweet. Ang sarap sampalin. So, how's everything now? Isn't that nice? The taste, how is it?
مش تيست انا مش موجودين
Why you don't understand, love?
The plastic is nice, right?
Love, he's talking English, right?
You know, my mind is not here.
Where's your mind?
This plastic, Germany, right?
Pauwi na kami sa bahay. Tapos na ang appointment namin sa clinic, next week na naman. Ano kayang ano?
I'm hungry now.
You want to eat?
Of course.
So, you want McDonald's? It's up to you. What you want?
You eat already, right?
Yes, only you. I want to finish my food because it's haram ang pagkain, kaya kailangan ubusin. What do you want? Nothing left. Sanay na ako sa tinapay. So, yan lang muna for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching. Hi, love. Why lonely?
You're busy, that's why.
Baba, why lonely, Baba? Baba.
Isungog na pud ako siya kay ganahon gi ko musungog sa iya.
Nothing. Gusto ko talagang pumunta diyan. Magpa-picture lang. The beauty of Dubai.